Welcome to Firemap Watch. This version of the Firemap is designed to help you locate the source of an emerging fire. In order to locate an area of interest, click on the pin button and click on the location of interest. A box pops up with the coordinates in latitude and longitude or in what three words, and either can be used to report the location of an incident. When you start in Firemap Watch, the cameras will already be showing. If you go to the table of contents, you'll see that the Alert Wildfire and HPREN cameras are on, and you can toggle either of them on and off. Click on any of the camera icons to see what the cameras can view at this moment, and then you can click on the thumbnails to get a closer view. In this view, you can see smoke plumes out in the distance. Go back to the Firemap and use the View tool button in the lower left that shows up with the cameras. Click View, and then click into an area of interest that you might want to zoom in closer. That location will give you the 4 closest cameras that can see that location, and you can toggle between them. If you find a location that you want to find a coordinate, use again the pin drop to drop the location and get your latitude, longitude, or what 3 words locations to report.